Yo, how you guys doing? I'm Set. That's my name. Yeah? All right. So in this episode 5, part 1, we're going to be showing you guys, this is when things really started to shape up. We had just suffered a major setback, which you saw in the last episode, and it was just about recovering, because we're the comeback kids. We came back, Baba. We came back. But it wasn't easy though, because even though we claimed for the insurance, you know, we needed to bankroll these setbacks ourselves for some time until the insurance paid out, and we weren't even sure as to how much the insurance would pay. So we needed to find funds somehow, some way. So it was a bit uncomfortable, but it was good. And what I particularly liked about it was the transition from the mess which you had seen, the flooded mess that you had seen, to this beautiful thing the property was now taking shape into. So these were good, but somewhat uncomfortable times, because we now needed to find the money, which was previously not budgeted for. But we made a plan, we made it work, and yeah, man, some interesting times, and I do hope you guys, what's the right term? I do hope that the idea that something as nasty as this property was at some stage can be transformed into this beautiful property that you're now going to be seeing. I hope you do believe and you buy into that idea, because that's what I keep telling everybody. It's not about what the property looks like, it's about what the property can become. No property is too far gone to not be fixable. So yeah, I hope we can demonstrate that notion to you guys now. Okay, as mentioned, there was quite a lot of work that needed to be done, which was done, and a lot of headaches, a lot of frustrations, but we learned, and it was taking shape nicely, man. Okay, let me not blabber on anymore. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and there's a few sections about it. My wife was the one taking the video, and she was going around the space fairly quickly, but you will still see the progress that we had made. And in the next episode, which is the last episode, episode 6, not part 2 of this episode 6, you will see the final product. This is the time when we had actually gone even outside to do what we called phase 1.1, which was to expand on the space that used to be the garage and the storeroom. We converted those into additional units. So yeah, man, I hope you enjoy this, and give us your thoughts in terms of what you thought about the renovations and what you thought about the colors that we chose. We generally go for green, not green, gray. It's a safe bet. But we went with green though. We painted the kitchen units green, which was an interesting color, and it turned out well. It turns out like there's a bit of talent there in terms of our ability to choose the right types of color coordinations and combos, Baba. Okay, yeah. So you guys must enjoy this episode, and I'll see you in the next. No, right after this. I don't think we need to do that. So right after this, we'll just play this, and whatever needs to be said can just be covered. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Okay. Sure.
So I wanted to give you guys a quick update on the project in Sasolburg. So not too long ago we had a break-in, and I documented the damage that these guys had caused on the property. They had stolen everything from copper pipes, wiring, just everything was stolen. Geysers, just about everything. So after that the guys went back to work, and they've made some significant progress since. right? Just something, by the way, is there's plenty of space here. There's about 400 square meters of space here, which we are looking to develop into multiple homes once we get the approval for rezoning of the property. Okay, so here's the work. The main door used to be here. We've moved that because we needed this room for another bedroom, so the door has just been moved here. And as you go in, the guys are busy. You see, so this here used to be a living room of some sort. Now it's closed off now, and as you can see, it's a perfectly fine bedroom. Right here you've got the kitchen. Still some work to be done, but there's been significant progress that's been made. If you look this side, we built a wall here to separate this wall from this room here, which used to be a dining room. It's now going to be an additional room, and then it's going to be generating income for us. And if you look here, the shower is going to be at this corner here. The basins will stay here, and here we've built a wall to separate the toilet from the shower and the basin. You know, that way if somebody needs to do their business, they can easily do so. Last time here, this whole place was full of water. We managed to stop the water, and this is completely destroyed. You get it there. Once the tiles go in there, you'll never tell that that was completely messed up. Okay, here's tshepang there, and as you can see, this is where these guys came into the property, and there used to be a big sliding door there. There's absolutely no necessity for it, so it's been closed off, right? And if you look at this massive master bedroom here, that's the sliding door. You know, it's still in perfectly good shape, so we're going to sell that. And this is how it looks now. There used to be a door here that went into the ensuite bathroom, but now because it's going to be shared, that's not going to be the case anymore. And if you look here, it's a massive toilet that they used to have. One of these older houses used to have massive rooms, you know, whether it be toilets or bedrooms. They used to be big. So we're going to have a shower over there, toilet will stay over there, and then we're going to have another shower here by the corner, and then a basin over there. Okay? And then this room here is used by the guys. Not much needs to be done here other than changing this black color, and that's where the guys are currently sleeping, but we'll keep the wooden floors and then change the color of the room. Okay, so that was a quick update in terms of the work that's been done. Guys, within a couple of days, have made significant progress, and we look forward to sharing the last update with you guys. See you later.